Guys.
Hello guys. Ay, magbasa mi ni player guys. Kini si player guys. Siya si Baby Jilin Vlog. Pwede ko subscribe guys sa mga amuang video. Ato pabasahon si Baby Jilin Vlog. Okay. Baby Jilin, you can read this one. What's this?
Apple.
Apple. This one?
Here.
Here. About this?
Tomato.
Oh, very good about this.
Lemon.
Lemon, ipadol me. What's this?
Carrot.
With cherry. How about this?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. How about this one?
Strawberry.
Very good. How about this?
With cabbage.
Yeah, cabbage. Very good. How about this?
Banana.
Banana. And this one?
Broccoli.
Very good. How about this?
Flowers.
Okay, cauliflower. Very good. How about this?
Onion.
Onion. Very good. How about this?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. How about this?
Carrot.
Asparagus. This one?
Flamingo.
Cucumber. Very good. How about this?
Orange.
Orange. And this one? This one?
Grapes.
Grapes. Very good. How about this?
Corn.
Corn. And this one? Dragon fruit. How about this?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay guys, yan si player guys. 2 years old nga bata guys. Kabalo na siya mabasa. Ani? About this, what kinds of this one? Read all. What this? Fruits and
Born.
vegetable. Very good. Bye class. Bye bye.